Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you are fit and healthy at home. Welcome to online classes. Myself, Komal Kaur Sethi, representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Today, we are here to study chapter 4 of your English textbook, Gulmohar. So, children, open your book and take out page number 24. The title of the chapter is Partho the Park Keeper. It is the story of the person whose name is Partho and he is a park keeper. Children, do you know who is park keeper? Park keeper is a person who cleans the park. Just imagine what will happen if there will be no people to clean the park. It will become dirty and unhygienic and there will be waste all over. So, let's begin and see how Partho, the park keeper, and his friends clean the park and how much they love their job. Before starting, I would like you to point your index finger the way you do in your class and take out your pencils to mark the hard words. So, now we will read the chapter. Partho was a park keeper. He worked with 5 other people. He and his team, mark the word T-E-A-M, team, kept the park clean. Partho loved his job. Here what you get? Partho is a park keeper. He worked with 5 other people. He and his team kept the park clean. What is team? Team is a group of people who work together and they love their job. Once every year, the park was closed for cleaning. Mark the word cleaning, C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G, cleaning. No one could use the park then. This year, the park was closed on a weekend. So children, here park is closed once every year for cleaning. Cleaning is safai. No one could use the park then. They are not allowed to use the park. This year, the park was closed on a weekend. What is weekend? Weekend is Saturdays and Sundays because they come at the end of the week. That's why they are weekend. Partho and his team were very busy for 2 days. They went around the park doing many things. On Saturday, they picked up the litter. Mark the words L-I-T-T-E-R, litter, and put it in the large bags. People should throw rubbish only in the bins, said Partho. His team nodded. Mark the words nodded and rubbish. Rubbish, R-U-B-B-I-S-H, rubbish, and nodded, N-O-D-D-E-D, nodded. So, what you get here? They were very busy for 2 days. They went around the park doing many things. On Saturday, they picked up the litter. Saturday ko what they do? Litter. What is litter? It is waste. Okay? All the waste of bottles, polythenes that are lying on the ground, that is litter, and put it in large bags. People should throw rubbish only in the bins. Who said it? Partho said. People should throw rubbish only in the bins. What is rubbish? It is also the waste that they don't need and they throw it away. His team nodded. What you do? When you want to say yes, you nod. So, nodded means it is a gesture when you want to say yes. They weeded the flower beds and planted new seeds. Mark the words weeded, W-E-E-D-E-D, weeded, and flower beds, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, B-E-D-S, beds, flower beds. They trimmed the grass. Mark the word trimmed, T-R-I-M-M-E-D, trimmed. They scrubbed. Mark the word scrubbed, S-C-R-U-B-B-E-D, scrubbed the swings, seesaws and slides. They fixed the broken merry-go-round. Mark the word fixed, F-I-X-E-D, fixed. The children will be so happy. Partho smiled. So they weeded the flower beds. What do you mean by weeded? They removed the unwanted parts of the plants. What is flower beds? You have seen in the park, there are neat rows. So rows में plants लगे होते हैं, flowers लगे होते हैं. Those are said flower beds. They trim the grass. What they do? जो अपने grass का टॉप पार्ट होता है उसको कट करने को हम बोलते हैं ट्रिम करना. जैसे आप अपने हेयर को ट्रिम करते हैं. Here what they are doing? They are trimming the grass. They scrub the swings. Scrub. What is known as scrub? Cleaning something very hard ताकि उस पे से सारी dirt निकल जाए. They scrub the swings, seesaws and slides. पार्क में क्या क्या होता है? Swings होते हैं, seesaws होते हैं, slides होते हैं. They fix the broken merry-go-round. What do you mean by fixed? किसी चीज़ को रिपेयर करने को fixed कहते हैं. They fix the broken merry-go-round. The children will be so happy. Partho smiled because he loved his job and he is very hard working. He said children will be so happy. On Sunday, they painted, mark the word P-A-I-N-T-E-D, painted all the benches in the park. Partho told his team, we must put up notices, mark the whole word P-U-T, put, U-P, up, N-O-T-I-C-E-S, notices that say wet paint next to the benches. What did they do on Sunday? They painted. Paint करते हैं हम colors लेके brush से. They painted the benches. Benches हम बैठते हैं पार्क में जाते हैं जब हम थक जाते हैं. We sit on the benches. So they painted the benches. Partho told his team. Partho ने कहा we must put up notices. आपने देखा notices लगे होते हैं. They are the pictures or words on the paper which say something. That say wet paint next to the benches because they are painting. जब हम पेंट करते हैं तो वो गीला होता है, wet होता है, W-E-T wet. तो they are saying कि हम notice लगा देंगे wet paint का on the benches. By evening, the work was finally done. Everyone was tired. Mark the word T-I-R-D, tired. So they sat on a bench and enjoyed tea and snacks. Mark the word snacks, S-N-A-C-K-S, snacks. They looked around and felt happy. The park looked new. So by the evening, the work was finally done. Everyone was tired because they did hard work, so they are tired. वो थक गए. Tired means थक गए. So they sat on a bench and enjoyed tea and snacks. वो कहाँ बैठ के? They sat on a bench. और क्या enjoy किया उन्होंने? Did you mark the word enjoyed? No. So mark it E-N-J-O-Y-E-D, enjoyed. Tea and snacks. So snacks is light meals that we take between our meals. ठीक है, हम शाम को भूख लगती है तो हम कुछ खा लेते हैं. That is snacks. They looked around and felt happy. The park looked good and they are enjoying their tea and snacks and they say, wow, the park looks very new. But when they stood up, their backs were covered in paint. Mark the word P-A-I-N-T, paint. Oh no, said Partho, we should have put up the wet paint notices before we sat down. Everyone laughed. Mark the word L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed. So what they do here? वो लोग बैठ गए and they themselves forgot that they have sit on the wet paint benches. So Partho said, oh no, we should have put up the wet paint notices, and everyone laughed. So hope you enjoyed the chapter and understood it well. So today I will give you one task for your online live sessions. So the question is, write down the question, what are the things you love at park and how you can keep the park clean. This question we will discuss in our next online live session. there you have to write the answer in the text box. Okay? So, hope you enjoyed the chapter well. Thank you.